guys, today we're gonna see about the basics of illustration. This tutorial is mainly for the beginners and I hope you're gonna find it very easy. So let's start. Now open a new file or from the template or open a new template. Then I'm gonna choose the postcard format and then let's start discovering the tools. So the tool I'm gonna use here is the pointer selection one, and let's draw something now. Now you can see how I'll use the selection tool to move the objects. Yeah, so just I'm gonna move. Now you can see that. Then this direct selection tool where you can round the corners and even change the position of the points. Next is just the pen tool. You've already seen how to do it. And now is the curvature tool. You can use to draw perfect curves with that. Now you can see the rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star and line segment tool. And now let's see the brush tool. I'm just gonna draw something, a line. And now there's also one more option in this, the pencil tool also we can use. Yeah, so now you can see how to do a text. Yeah, so that's it. You can even change the size of the text and all. Now it's a rotate tool, and let's see how to erase off the diagram or something. If there's any extra part, you can erase it. So now let's erase a part of that line. So yeah, now you can see how it's easy to erase. Yeah, and that's the gradient tool. Now there's the color picker tool. You can see the changes happening there down, how the color is changed. And now you can even change the size of the artboard that you're gonna use. It's very easy. Yeah, so now this is the hand tool. You can just move around the artboard. And now the zoom tool, you can just zoom in and you can even zoom out the artboard for more clear appearance. So now I'm going to explain how to pick a color from a color picker and also how to add the stroke. The stroke is nothing but the border. So now let's click on the stroke and select the black color, and you can also change the width of the stroke by just clicking the upward arrow to increase, and also you can see the different line shapes to use them. You can also customize your tools according to your requirements. Here I have been using automation. And for the last step, now you can go to the files and choose save option. Or you can also save as many different formats like PDF, SVG, and also an illustration file. So you can export it very easily.